Okay, so I'm going for my fourth hole. This one I recently did, and it's like so much better. It's almost healed. I'm going for my fourth hole, trying to get it before it gets to the cartilage. Drinking my detox tea. It's like a wound wellness detox tea. So yeah. It's extremely bitter, but it's okay. You gotta make sure to drink a whole bunch of water. Okay, so I have my Traeger. I have my Traeger right here. So yeah, we're gonna do like a fourth hole right here. Ooh, excuse me.
Yeah, they keep saying my name.
I'm not nervous like I was when I first did it. Okay. So the very first thing I'm gonna do is clean my ear with some alcohol front and back. I'm not nervous.
Cold nights and the sold out shows. Funny how the pressure made me glow. Funny how the hate became a road. I just keep ascending while they keep pretending. If they watching, let them watch. If they talking, let them talk. Everything comes back around, and somehow it works for me now. Every time they say my name, money rain, money rain. Every time they say my name, more doors swing my way. And the cold hardened, the modern, they say. Every whisper, every conversation turns into another manifestation. Every time they say my name, money rain, money rain. I stopped fighting shadows long ago. Now I use that energy to grow. All the doubt, all the fear, all the noise disappears. Every mention, every view brings me closer to something new. Booked and busy, blessed for real. Living everything I used to feel. If they watching, let them watch. If they talking, let them talk. Everything comes back around, and somehow it works for me now. Every time they say my name, money rain, money rain. Every time they say